Hello, hope everybody is doing well. Today we are going to learn how to make sidewalk chalk paint. So if you have sidewalk chalk and you have little nuggets left over, you can shave those down and mix that with water. But here's a way that you can do it if you don't already have sidewalk chalk. So what we are going to mix is 1 part water with 1 part cornstarch. So that's that like chalky, powdery baking mixture. So 1 part water, 1 part cornstarch. We're gonna mix those together. What I am using is 1 cup with 1 cup. So you can do it 1/2 cup water, 1/2 cup cornstarch, or you can double it. It's all up to you. So you'll wanna mix it together right away. If you let it settle, it's gonna be a little bit harder. So just slowly mix that cornstarch in with the water, and it's gonna turn it into almost like a milk. This does tend to separate, so as you're using it for painting, you'll just mix it up with your paintbrush. But you can start to feel where the cornstarch is. So once there's nothing hindering you from mixing it, then you know that it's mixed thoroughly. And then you can put it into a muffin tray. So you can make little sections in your muffin tray. If you have a funnel, it helps to use a funnel. If you don't have a funnel, you can make one. I made one with aluminum foil, and I just wrapped it around a banana and then poked a hole in the bottom there. But if you have anything that's cone shaped, you can wrap the foil around that and use that as a funnel. Okay, so now that that's mixed, I'm just going to pour the cornstarch water mixture into these trays. So then from here, we're gonna add the coloring. So you're just gonna use food coloring. So I'm gonna have a blue one, so I'll just do 2 little drops of blue. If I want a purple one, I could do a drop of blue, and then a drop of red. For orange, I can do a drop of red with some yellow, oops. Or I also have green, but to mix green, if you don't have a green food coloring, you'll do blue with yellow. So you'll have your food coloring in there, and then you'll just mix that up, and you'll get your sidewalk chalk color. So this is great for using it with a brush, and then you can paint it right onto the sidewalk and play around with it that way. If you have little squirt bottles, so I saved some squirt bottles that I got with a tie-dyeing kit. My husband was like, "Why are you gonna keep those?" And I said, "You never know," which you don't until you need them, and I needed them today. So I was really glad that I kept them. But yeah, you can just throw that mixture into the bottles. And if you use some dish soap, you can do a couple of squirts of dish soap, and that'll kind of foam it up and almost make it like a puffy paint. And then you can just kind of squeeze it out, and you can use that for your sidewalk chalk paint as well. So I have heard of some people are going and doing sidewalk chalk art walks. So if your neighborhood is doing that, or if you want to organize that in your neighborhood, this will be a great thing to have. You can mix some for your kids. If you don't have kids, you can mix some for the neighborhood kids to kind of create on your sidewalk, or at least invite them to come draw on your sidewalk if you want. But this is a really great, fun way of making sidewalk chalk if you don't have any at home. If you don't have cornstarch, you can do 2 parts flour with 1 part water. So that would be 2 cups of flour to 1 cup of water. Or you can mix as much or as little of that as you want, but it would be 2 parts flour to 1 part water, as opposed to the cornstarch, which is 1 part cornstarch to 1 part water. But you can do the food coloring to add color with that as well. So this is, you know, safe for the environment. It will just wash away just like your sidewalk chalk does. It does separate, so it'll settle down, and you'll just kind of mix that up. If you have a squirt bottle like these, you'll just shake it up before you apply it. But like always, share what you guys create, share your sidewalk chalk art, and just tag the Quincy Art Center at Quincy Art Center, and have a great day. It's a really nice day, so go out and enjoy it. You can practice your letters if you need to learn how to write letters. You can do math problems with the chalk. You can draw out, I don't know, science terms or things that you're learning in science or history. You can kind of draw that out as well. So you guys can incorporate this with what you're learning as well. But yeah, have a great day.